it was more of the fear, and being the only person. I walked into a GA room 28 years ago. I'm 57, and I was the only woman. Very male or dominated, and you know, I sort of I didn't go back to that one straight away, but I knew I needed help. So I found it exceptionally hard to open up in a group full of men, because women, you know, I was the mum that was always there for everyone, and, you know, the nice person, but no one knew what the wickedness and horribleness that was going on in my head. It wasn't expected all them years ago of a woman. There was loads of women doing it. So the stigma, I think, still exists, but it's not so much. I think, you know, through programs like Gordon Moody's, I go to a lot of GA meetings, but one of them I do is a women's preferred, and there's no stigma in there, you know.